students, how are you? Students, yesterday I explained the first part of the poem, The Road Not Taken. And in that part I was telling you that after ignoring the first sub-road, the poet started moving on the another sub-road which was desolated. And he started moving on that desolated road without knowing the reason behind its desolation. Now I am going to explain the second part of the poem. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. And while the poet was observing the condition of both roads by standing at the point of diversion, that morning both roads were equally covered with the fallen leaves of the trees, and nobody stepped on those leaves. That is why the color of those leaves was not turned into black. Oh, I kept the first road for another day. And after that, while he was moving on the another sub-road which was desolated, he was thinking that one day he would also be able to travel on the road which he had left. Means he was confused even while moving on his chosen road. While moving on his chosen road, he was looking towards the road which he had left again and again. And he was not paying attention on his chosen road. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, although he knew that the roads on which he was moving, he was walking, its way was different, and that road could never meet another road, because both roads have different ways. Now students, poet want to say that he had to choose one profession out of two, but he had chosen the profession which was being practiced by very little persons or hardly no person. And while practicing his chosen profession, he was looking again and again towards the profession which was being practiced by other people. And he was hoping that one day he would also practice the profession which other people were doing. And it was impossible. That is why poet was remained confused, and he could not pay his total attention towards practicing in his chosen profession. That is why he could not get sufficient success. If he had worked hard in his chosen profession, then he would become the successful person. Even I doubted if I should ever come back. And poet also knew that he would not be able to return towards his first profession, towards the first road which he had observed and ignored. I shall be telling this with a sigh somewhere ages and ages hence, and poet is saying that with the help of this poem he will be able to tell his miserable situation while choosing a profession out of two to the people of coming generation. And when the people of coming generation read his poem, then they will come to know that the poet had two profession and he would have to choose one profession, and he had chosen only the profession which was being practiced by very less persons. Means he had started moving on the road which was less traveled by. He said he had chosen the profession which was being practiced by very little people, and that has made all the differences, and that is why he could not become the successful person. That was the difference. That difference was created. Means he started practicing his chosen profession in order to get success, in order to become successful person. But he could not pay his total attention towards his chosen profession because he was confused. Now students, poet wants to say with the help of this poem that if we choose any profession, then we should work hard in our chosen profession. We should not look towards the profession of other people. If we do this, then we will remain confused and we will not be able to concentrate in our chosen profession, and we will not get success then. If we practice in our chosen profession continuously and we work hard in our chosen profession, then one day we will surely become the successful person. Now students, suppose if you want to become engineer, then you should work hard in becoming engineer. And when you become engineer, you get success in becoming engineer, then you should work hard in the profession of engineering. If you work hard in the profession of engineering, then one day you will become the successful engineer, famous engineer. And if you do not pay attention towards your profession and you start thinking that the profession of doctor is good and you want to leave your engineering profession, then you know what will happen? Then you could not get success even both profession. You could not get success even one profession in both. That is why poet has composed this poem, to give the message that we should be determined. We should be determined while practicing any work. And we should not consider any work inferior to others. We should consider our chosen work superior to others. We should have confidence. We should do our work with confidence. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the poem. Now I request you to read and write the explanation which I will provide you in written. Tomorrow I will make you write question and answer of this poem. Thank you and have a nice day.